Welcome to Kevin's Funk channel. In today's video, I'll have a straight update about almighty Consummate Traders, alright? But before that, I want to say big shout out to my top subscribers, those that are returning here to check up on us on YouTube and all of that. So because of that, I want to do a quick giveaway to all my top niggas, alright? Those supporting this YouTube channel, also supporting the brand Kevin's Frank. I'm going to give you money actually, but that will be in my Telegram channel. So click the link in my description box, then join my Telegram channel. Let's do this giveaway. All right, see you on the other side. All right, welcome back, guys. First of all, I don't even know that Consummate Traders are still consuming money. All right, are still consuming, because I thought they are out of the timeline, but I realized that yes, they are still active consuming. All right, so when I come back from this short break, I'm going to give you the updates as it is right now, whether Consummate is still alive, or are they gone, or can you even trust them to some extent. I greet you, mentor. I greet you.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, guys. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. No be you. That guy that is behind you, that guy that is smiling, he wants to create his own profile tomorrow. No be you. Not the guy wearing orange shirt. I know first greet you. Touch him. Yes, I greet you, mentor. All right. This is coming from Dr. Bills. He said, I'm going to make it very fast so that we go into real talks. All right. So watch the video from now to the end, because you need to hear what this young man have to say about Consummate Traders and other prop firms. I think he's making sense. I just saw his video on TikTok, and I decided to share it right here. So let's go. He said, hello, I am making this public statement regarding my now ended contract, affiliation, and partnership with Consummate. So he has ended his contract with Consummate, all right? He says, it took me some time to gather my thoughts and put these words together, largely due to my deep displeasure and dissatisfaction with how events unfolded. Wonderful. So some facts, some certain things hidden. It started unfolding some, I won't say everything, because mentor they can also find me somewhere around here. I greet you. Now they said, I apologize for the delay in addressing this matter, especially to those who trusted me implicitly. English. Dr. Bill now, Dr. Bill, of course. Your trust was bruised and broken, and I felt ashamed, unsure of how best to approach this, alright? But I realized that I owe you an explanation, Keme. Regardless of whether people believe my words, you genuinely deserve to hear from me. I feel emotional, like I feel, oh God. I think they broke his heart, right? Like, all right, I said, Consumate was a brand that approached me, and I trusted them, thinking I could use this opportunity to help many people in the need, including traders seeking financial support, investors, and long-term traders. It all started well. I helped sort out many payouts, blah, 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 blah. So let's go to the next page. It says, suddenly, payouts began to get delayed as usual. If you don't have money to pay people, payout will be delayed. You know what I'm saying? And check my videos. Some prop firms, I didn't say Consummate Trader, please get my words right. Some prop firms are Ponzi prop firms, Ponzi schemes, right? So what they do is, when Peter pays, they use Peter's money to pay Paul, Paul's money to pay Timothy, and then all of that, that cycle. And unfortunately, when traders who can actually pass these challenges pull up, come on board, and then they are seeking for 100,000 withdrawal, where would they see that kind of amount to pay you? Or maybe you're seeking about 50,000 withdrawal. Where would they get that amount to pay? Because Peter did not pay 100,000. Peter just bought an account with, let's say, $10 or thereabout. So you are requesting for 100,000 withdrawal. Where will we get 100,000 to pay you? You don't get conscience. All right, let's go, guys. It says, with my name, image, and reputation on the line, knowing how, in fact, it's just the same thing, protecting his image and reputation. So now, Dr. Base, I greet you anyway, because the fact is your reputation actually has been soiled. That is the fact. Because you saw all these things, and then you still put head, carry the cross, maybe you could change the seat scenario. High before the Benson left, you actually went there. Maybe you could try your best, but unfortunately, the consumer has done the job of consuming. Now, let me call up on this guy. Listen to this guy attentively. He's going to spit all the truth he knows about prop firms and prop firm sagas. All right. Then remember to check up on us. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Stay active, because I'm going to give you hot updates as released forex pro firms, forex mentors. And don't forget to join me on my Telegram channel, because that giveaway you will be getting a lot of money. When I say a lot of money, serious money, because mentor says that. I'm going to give you serious money. In fact, one person will be getting up to $2, at least $2. And let's go, young man. What do you have to say about pro firms? Tell us what you think about pro firms opening up, closing up anyhow. Nobody's even asking after them. No regulations, no guidelines, nothing. What do you think, man?
Okay, guys. Recently, Kojo Forex just told us that he is the co-founder of Express Fund. Okay. Some time ago, I saw Jeffrey Benson and Kojo Forex were chilling in Dubai, and after that, Kojo came out to tell us that he's a co-founder of Express Fund, and he came out to speak. He's speaking out so that he can clear his record and maintain integrity. Okay, my brother, the best way to maintain integrity is to pay back people's money to them. Okay, those your mentees that bought accounts and they never got the account to trade. Talk more of withdrawing. You pay them back. That is how to maintain integrity. Respect to you, bro. Okay, I'm not dragging anybody here. The same way Tabby, Forrest, and Jeffrey Benson were pioneering Consummate. And when Consummate was no longer paying, they also came out to their mentee and said to them that they were only affiliated to Consummate. Okay? So, please, this is not to drag you. We are waiting to hear what Ndemaze will say later about Lion Heart Fund and Dapper Willis. Okay, so please, with great respect to you guys, because a lot of you, we learned from you. You guys motivated us to become forex traders. But seeing all these things happening, we are not happy about it. Okay, upcoming traders like us, who are looking up to you guys, seeing all these kind of things, what do you want us to become? You guys are like fathers to a lot of us. So please, this is not to drag you, but let all these things stop. Let all these things stop. If I'm a mentor, I'm a professional trader, I'm making hundreds of dollars on a weekly basis, monthly. To be frank with you, I'll have nothing to do with a pro firm, to setting up a pro firm. And if I do set up a pro firm and things go wrong, I will have enough money to be able to pay a lot of people, most especially those I call my mentees. Okay, so please, because the way the thing seem now, it's like a few mentors are becoming predators, and your mentees are becoming your prey. So please, anything we are doing in this life, let us know that there will be judgment at the end of it all. And all the Lamborghinis and all the cars that you want to drive and show off to mentees, and people out there, man, you're not going to take them anywhere. They are going to end here. So if you are making $10,000 on weekly basis, $10,000 on monthly, it should be enough for you. Because in a year, that sum up to a huge amount of money. And we that are coming up and looking up to you guys, afflicting this kind of pains to us, you are putting us in the same path. Nowadays, you see somebody just come out and the person is trading, and the person is a bit profitable. The next thing they are pushing themselves in to become mentors, and they want to start taking money from mentees to start teaching them. I'm not saying that is wrong. That is good. If you know how to trade and you are profitable, it is good for you to train people. Okay? There are some mentors in this industry that I respect, that I love them, I love what they're doing. But every mentor, like mentors that I've called out, like Harvey Forrest, Jeffrey Benson, Ndemaze Godlove, Dapper Willis, Kojo Forex, man, these guys, I have respect for them. I respect you guys, but please, enough of all this. It's time to begin to see your mentees as your children. So that when things, if a child misplaced the school fees his father gave to him, and the child come to cry to the father will look for a way, we scold him, and later still give him another school fees to go and pay. That is how you guys should be to your mentees. Okay, not you come and create a platform, and when the platform crash, you come out and say that you are only affiliated to the platform. When we know, from the start, you never showed us people who were owners of the platform. It was you guys who were pushing this platform, who were in the front of this platform, who were behind this platform, who were carrying yourself as owners of this platform, and you never denied being owners until when things start going wrong. We start hearing things like we are only affiliated to this platform. So please, enough of that. So that new mentees that are becoming mentors will not begin to exhibit, will not learn from this character and also exhibit it, and will not have a forex generation of fraudulent mentors. So please, I'm not saying this because I want to drag anybody, but because I'm just begging you guys with respect to you guys, enough of this, enough of all this. If you know you're going to set up a problem and you will not be able to pay people, and your problem will not succeed, your problem will crash, and you can't pay money to people, please don't set up. And if you know you're making $10,000 a week, $100,000 a week as you claim, please manage what you have and don't be expecting from your mentees.